Hi everyone. This is the second part of natural selection, and before that I explained about that natural selection and the types also. And here we discuss about the characters that we see in the species which are selected directionally or in a stabilized way or in a disruptive way. Clear? So these are the features we see here. In case of directional selection, these features we can see the number one that occurs in a particular direction. Okay. So in the species, the selection occurs but in a proper direction, in one direction. Okay. Second one, eliminate the normal individuals. Eliminate the normal individuals. I think so this is normal means non-average or extreme. Non-average or extreme. Average. Normal means average. Okay. Average. Clear? So, actually the average individuals, these are totally eliminated from the species group. Okay. Here the totally that individuals remain which have the actual features for fighting with the environment. Clear? So, normal or the average individuals, they are eliminated. Third one, the favors the phenotype. Favors the phenotype actually. The phenotype here after getting the adaptive features or gaining the adaptive features, the phenotype of the species that are selected naturally. Clear? The last one, the favors the accumulation of those mutations that increases the fitness. I think two types of mutation we can see. That is, one is that is dangerous for the species, and another is very favorable for the species for their survival situation. Clear? So here in this natural selection, that mutations or that new features present within the individuals which are very important for them or which help them to fit with the environment. Otherwise, that mutation, after mutations, the new genes or new genetic character that is very harmful to the species, that will totally disappear. Clear? So these are the features in case of directionally selected animals or plants. Clear? In case of stabilizing selection, these features we can see. One is this selection actually operates in constant or unchanging environment. Unchanging environment, the environment new features or new climatic changes is not seen there. Okay, the changing is constant. So in that situation, this type of natural selection we can see. Second point, introduces homozygosity. Homozygosity means two kinds of zygosity we can see. One is the homozygosity, another is the heterozygosity. Heterozygosity means variation. Variations means different types of features we can see. Like in case of humans, we just different types of look we can see. Okay, so this is the variation. This is the heterozygosity. Homozygosity, you just see the same feature in every individual within the same species. No particular someone is more fit or someone is less fit. No, you just you cannot separate them. Okay, so this is the another feature. The third one is check the accumulation of the mutation, because this is the reason. Actually, we cannot see the variation because they generally not allow the new mutations or new genetic features that produce within themselves. Okay, so actually they don't allow the mutations create the genetic changes within themselves. Okay, so this is the homozygosity. And the last one, that keeps the population genetically constant. So naturally, if new characters you cannot see, new variation is not seen, so that means the individuals remain without any changes in the any particular species. Clear? So these are the features we can see in the directional and the stabilizing selection. Clear? And the last one we learn in case of disruptive natural selection, there which characters or which features the species they gain. Clear? Okay, in case of disruptive natural selection, the three features we can see in the species. One is the homologous species here break up into several different adaptive forms. One that break up into several. One that break up into two or three parts. Okay, adaptive forms. The second one is the extreme values have the highest fitness. Here, extreme values, the individuals which have the extreme values, they have the highest fitness, okay, rather than others. And the last one, this occurs when the population previously adapted. Actually, it is possible when in that species, these species are totally or actually adapted, already adapted and in the environment, and in that situation this disruptive selection we can see. Okay, that means it occurs when a population previously adapted. Okay, so these are the features of different types of natural selection. Now here in my previous video I explained about the three types, and here I explain the features that arise within the species that are selected in that way. Okay, so here the natural selection topic is completed. Clear?